What I love about consulting is I get to help you solve a problem. I get to hyper focus on one thing. I know from when I started on the operations floor back in the 90s and all the way through the different roles I had, right up until the boardroom, there was always something that worried me and kept me awake at night. That's what I'm here to do. I'm here to come in and help you solve that problem. You know, whether it's just a review of your autoclave or your water system, maybe you grew from a lab into a GMP facility. Maybe you need somebody to go back and look at your user requirement specifications before your FDA inspection. Simple things sometimes can become issues over time. And I can help you solve those problems. And that's what I love doing. I love coming in, integrating with your team, getting on the floor, getting into your boardroom, wherever you need me. I'll come in and I'll solve those issues for you.